Now, engage with your customers or colleagues in a more interactive and entertaining way with the help of new Microsoft Office 365 tool known as Microsoft Forms. If you are working with an organization, then you as well as your peers can use Microsoft Forms to create basic surveys for internal use with employees or surveys for external use with customers. However, if you are from an educational institute or know someone who is working at an educational institute, then I suggest that you can explore Microsoft Forms to create quizzes and include it as a part of fun learning activities in your college or school. Further, you can invite people to participate in the surveys or quizzes and know about their thoughts or experiences. The surveys or polls created using Microsoft Forms are easily accessible on any device, be it your personal computer or mobile devices. Microsoft Forms can be embedded in a Sway or in your website page. It also allows you to customize the form as per your preferences. You will get variety of buttons, text formats, rating buttons, themes, and other tools to create your forms. You also have the capability of previewing the work in progress. In this video, I will show you how you can use Microsoft Forms to reach out to your customers or colleagues in an engaging way. To access Microsoft Forms, open any web browser of your choice and type the URL as forms.office.com and you will get redirected to the home page of Microsoft Forms. Now you have two options. You can either create a survey form or a quiz form. Suppose I want to create a survey form to know the opinion of our customers about the usage of our support portal. So for creating the survey, I need to click on New Form option. An untitled form will open. You can give title to your survey form and briefly describe about it. You can also add image to your survey form. You can enter questions which you want to add in your survey. To add questions, you need to click on Add Questions button in the form. On clicking the Add Questions button, you will further get options of adding multiple choice or single choice questions. You can add text in your survey form. You can include rating buttons in the form of numbers or stars, or can include the date to track when the survey was done. So let me add some questions here. Here I had added some questions for the survey. You can also choose a background theme for your survey. Microsoft gives you the capability of either adding a predefined theme to your form or you can upload a theme of your own. While working on your form, you can have a look at your work that how it will look at customer's end. This can be done by clicking on the preview option available at the top navigation pane. Here you can see the two options on which I can preview this form, that is how the form will be looked like when it will be opened on a personal computer and how it will be looked when it will be accessed on the mobile device. You can go back to your form. Once you will share this survey form with your customers or colleagues, you can view their responses under Responses tab. As here you can see I have received 3 responses till now. The average time taken to complete this survey by the 3 people was 4 minutes 12 seconds and the status of your survey is active. Here you can see the responses that you have received in details. You will be able to see the responses in tabular form when you will open the responses in Excel. You can do that from here. By clicking on Open in Excel, the responses will get tracked in the tabular form. So friends, you can create as many survey forms as you want and can share it with your colleagues or customers and know their opinion. This is for now. To know more about Microsoft Teams and its features, you can subscribe to Fortron Cloud Academy on YouTube. Thank you.